Welcome to your ultimate inspiration guide. In this video, we'll explore 100 of the best modern wall decor ideas to elevate your home's interior design in 2025. Whether you're revamping a living room, bedroom, or hallway, these trends will help you turn blank walls into beautiful focal points. Minimalist art and prints. 1. Black and white line art. 2. Neutral-toned abstract canvases. 3. One-line face art. 4. Muted geometric prints. 5. Scandinavian poster sets. 6. Framed quotes in minimalist fonts. 7. Neutral wall collages. 8. Shadow box frames with natural materials. 9. Washi tape art layouts. 10. Floating gallery shelves with subtle decor. 11. Tone-on-tone artwork. 12. Neutral oversized prints. 13. Botanical line drawings. 14. Framed canvas with negative space. 15. Layered monochrome textures. Textured wall panels and 3D designs. 16. PVC wave panels. 17. Slatted wood strips. 18. 3D hexagonal wall tiles. 19. Fluted panel feature wall. 20. Concrete texture wall panels. 21. Mixed material slats, wood plus metal. 22. Upholstered panel walls. 23. Faux brick wall cladding. 24. Natural stone texture panels. 25. Curved modular wall elements. Modern wall mirrors. 26. Oversized arched mirrors. 27. Cluster of small round mirrors. 28. Frameless geometric mirrors. 29. Backlit LED wall mirror. 30. Gold-rimmed sunburst mirror. 31. Layered organic shaped mirrors. 32. Minimalist black frame mirror. 33. Sculptural mirror wall art. 34. Antique brass finish mirrors. 35. Floor-to-ceiling mirror panels. Nature-inspired wall decor. 36. Vertical moss wall. 37. Framed dried leaves or botanicals. 38. Rattan and cane wall plates. 39. Jute or woven fiber hangings. 40. Wooden slice wall art. 41. Nature-themed murals. 42. Bamboo or reed panels. 43. Pressed flower frame displays. 44. Pebble texture wall art. 45. Natural wood drift panels. Gallery walls. 46. Symmetrical black frame photo grid. 47. Mixed frame styles with cohesive theme. 48. All-white frame collage. 49. Staircase gallery layout. 50. Black and white family portrait gallery. 51. Art and quote combo gallery. 52. Gridless organic wall collage. 53. Floating shelf plus frame hybrid. 54. Poster wall with magnetic rails. 55. Travel photo plus map gallery. Wall lighting decor. 56. Sculptural LED sconces. 57. Vertical light bar installations. 58. Brass swing arm lights. 59. Hidden LED backlight wall. 60. Wall-mounted orb lamps. 61. Minimalist tube lights. 62. Accent spotlight frames. 63. Light-washed fluted panel. 64. Hanging pendant wall lights. 65. Smart RGB wall strips. DIY and custom wall art. 66. DIY canvas with texture paste. 67. Painted abstract mural. 68. Embroidery hoop wall collage. 69. Pegboard art grid. 70. Family name or monogram signs. 71. Wood-burned custom signs. 72. String art wall pieces. 73. Hand-painted wall plates. 74. DIY resin and acrylic pours. 75. Personalized word art on acrylic. Bold accent walls. 76. Matte black wall with gold accents. 77. Forest green accent wall. 78. Mural wallpaper with tropical motifs. 79. Textured wallpaper with metallics. 80. Half-painted color block walls. 81. Arch-shaped paint features. 82. Terrazzo print wallpaper. 83. Gradient ombre wall paint. 84. Paint plus panel combo wall. 85. Dark moody feature wall. Sculptural and statement pieces. 86. Oversized metal sculptures. 87. Ceramic wall installations. 88. Wall-mounted fiber sculptures. 89. Abstract wall clocks. 90. Modular 3D art installations. 91. Reclaimed wood sculptures. 92. Laser-cut metal designs. 93. Layered acrylic shapes. 94. Origami-inspired wall decor. 95. Wall-mounted kinetic art. Functional wall decor. 96. Wall-mounted shelves as decor. 97. Hanging planters. 98. Peg rails with aesthetic hooks. 99. Floating bookshelves. 100. Wall-mounted desk with foldable design. Top 100 modern wall decor ideas for home interior design. 2025. From minimalist to luxury, practical to artistic, design, which one was your favorite? Let us know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more design inspiration. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.